Hey, Saseni. So today we'll be turning this oversized dress into Dungaree shorts. If you're new here, my name is Asumta and I make DIY fashion videos. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. So first things first, separate the top from the bottom. The skirt has pleats, so I'm removing them here. Now separate the sides of the skirt so the front will be on its own, and same for the back. Now you want to fold one of the pieces, either the front or the back, doesn't really matter which one, and place a trouser that fits you well on top. Make sure you fold it in half. Now we are going to cut the fabric following the curve of the trouser. Make sure to add a lot of allowance if you have the space, especially around the crotch area. I did not add enough and the end result is not that comfortable, I'd say. Now fold the other piece of fabric and place the first piece you cut out on top. We shall use it to cut the back. Make the back crotch even bigger than the front one. We shall now take the upper piece and rip the buttons off, as we don't need them. I then cut out the sides of both the front and back as they were too wide. Now let's take the front and back bottom pieces and stitch the crotch area. Then place the right sides facing each other and sew the sides and inseam areas of the garment. I am using elastic at the waist because So take an elastic that's smaller than your waist by around 2 inches. Let's pin the elastic to the sides of the waist. We shall sew while pulling the elastic. Now let's join the bottom to the top. I first open the buttoned part to make it easier. Then I place the front top onto the front bottom, right sides facing each other, and stitch. I did the same for the back. Now you may wonder what happened to the sides or how I stitched them. I simply overlapped them and stitched them together. So that's how I transformed the oversized dress into this dungaree, or whatever you might want to call it. It was fairly easy, especially since I was using ready-made trousers as a pattern. The only problem would be the crotch area, as I had explained earlier. I did not add enough allowance and now it feels a bit too small. And I know this, I don't know why I repeated the same mistake again. I know how I should have done it, I don't know sometimes what's wrong. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you aren't already, and click the bell to get notified when I upload a video. See you next time. Bye.